taking over the streets.
We working.
Working this city exclusively on Streets 94.5.
Holidays, holidays, holiday season.
I know a girl who do news and she beautiful.
Ooh, congratulations.
Bars.
Congratulations to Sean Moss. We know him as Bow Wow as well. He is engaged to Erica Mena, and you would think everything is happy, right?
And here come the
That's
baby
great.
mama with
Send
that
it
bull.
single.
Here comes the baby mama drama.
You can't be happy with no bad.
Without me. She took to her Twitter to write a series of tweets
Here we
accusing
go.
Bow Wow of ignoring their daughter. She says,
Why?
I don't normally speak out, and I could care less about his personal life. This
Stick
is
to
what she's
that.
writing. But I will not allow him to keep dragging my name through the mud. I don't even.
I've never heard him
Yeah,
say her name.
Who
I
is
don't
she?
even know what he
Who
said about
Who
her.
is she?
Like,
Who is this girl?
She
that's
wanted the
speaking?
ring, man. That's it.
Joy.
She trying to get on Love and Hip Hop.
She's trying to get on the show.
trying to get on Love and Hip Hop.
Atlanta exes.
Right.
Yes, she talks about you on 106 and Park every day.
She says
Yes.
that he's been in and out of LA for a month and hasn't seen their daughter.
Working. He's been working. Yes.
I was
Okay.
gonna say he works
Paying
in New York.
bills,
Right.
doing shows.
I mean, he don't want to see the girl. Like, that's very
No,
understandable.
He's ignoring his daughter's
No, he's not.
FaceTime.
He's ignoring you, girl.
Well, that's what she's saying.
Look, the Bow Wow pipe dream is over, baby girl. Look, it's
Now-
over. Move on.
And he says, man, words can't describe how much I miss you. Just want to see you, hug you. Things will get better. I miss you, Shy Shy. I just dropped a tear on this note. She responded on Twitter by saying, oh, it's clear that you're not a priority. Let him tell it. I won't let him see her. Like,
Man,
that's
boy,
what she
leave them
said.
thoughts alone. Hey, man, if y'all don't learn nothing this year, leave them thoughts alone.
He works in New York. She's in LA.
Right.
Like, I mean,
Just before you
And
do
you're
the
probably
do,
annoying as
and
hell.
you see her in the club and she got a fat booty and big everything
That don't
else.
mean nothing,
That
fellas.
don't mean.
and it's funny that she's all of a sudden saying this once he gets engaged.
Right.
Yeah, it's
So,
always like that.
You know. All right, Real Housewives of Atlanta is about to come back in November. And of course, there's going to be some new people on there because Phaedra's husband obviously is not going to be on
Okay,
there.
Apollo's locked up.
But Phaedra will be back on there. But the one lady who's not coming back is said to be Portia Williams. She's decided that she's not coming back. She's focusing on filming for the Ricky Smiley Morning Show,
I'm
I
about to
guess.
say she on the radio now.
She's
Yes,
on
she's doing
Dish
that
Network.
Dish Nation. And she has a new relationship with Philadelphia Eagles LaShawn McCoy.
I bet she does.
Peter Rosenberg yesterday morning on some other station had decided to out Wiz Khalifa about sleeping with twins, cheating on Amber Rose. And Charlemagne of The Breakfast Club that airs here 6 to 10 a.m. Monday through Friday on
You
Street
damn right,
94.5.
girl. You better say it.
has something to say about Peter airing Wiz out. He said, when a married man airs out another married man about cheating, trust me, the shoe will be on the other foot one day, so mind your business.
Maybe he was in the doghouse.
Which I 100% agree with.
Yeah,
I think
that's-
Rosenberg was definitely in the wrong.
He tacky as hell anyway, so.
Yeah.
Like, that was not cool. And apparently Charlemagne felt the same way. But Rosenberg clapped back. He got on Twitter and said, LOL, at guys telling me I should follow Guy Code. You know, Charlemagne's on Guy Code as a play on words. All right, so Guy Code means you're loyal to men on principles over women you're close with. That's insane because him and his wife are close with Amber Rose.
But did he ask Amber Rose if he could air her out?
Maybe
I
he
highly
did.
doubt it.
I doubt it,
highly
brother.
doubt it. He added "See the God," Charlemagne, and said, LOL, life lessons from a morally corrupt lowlife go back to kissing corporate ass and not contributing to hip-hop.
Actually, he should say to himself because he's the standard for all of those things he just did.
Those are things that are being said about him. I do agree. So Rosenberg, I'm not going to say I'm a fan of, but I wasn't anti.
I don't like him.
But after he did that, I was like, yeah, that was not cool to put yourself in the middle of a divorce like that and air somebody out. That wasn't cool.
Yeah, fellas, mind your damn business. Go upstairs.
And who put him on the radio?
Play
That's
Madden.
what I want to know.
Exactly.
Jesus.
Don't be down there sitting around drinking wine with your girlfriend.
Now he
and her
think he
home-
important,
and her
Because basically
homegirl.
what he did was pillow talking on the air is what he did.
Yeah.
which is so player.
It's not cool
It was
at all.
a
all
movie
right?
night. Everybody was drinking and kicking it. It's like, I got all the juice.
Holidays, holidays, holiday season.